My dear brothers and sisters, there are a lot of stories in the Gospels about Jesus healing people who are blind or ill. But what I want us to focus in this reflection is that idea that comes out from this story that we heard. The idea of humanity, even though God has been great to them, will still be ungrateful. Yung mga tao na kahit ginawan ng mabuti ng Panginoon ay hindi marunong magpasalamat sa Kanya. In this story of the man being healed, makikita po natin yung ugali nitong tao na ito, na nung tinanong siya ni Jesus, gusto mo bang gumaling? Ang dami niyang sinabi, hatred about other people. Na sinabi niya, gustuhin ko man pumunta doon, may nauunan na sa akin. Gustuhin ko mang pumunta doon, walang aakay sa akin para makapunta ako doon. He is putting the blame on other people. And later, when he got healed, nung gumaling na siya, ganon din. Nung tinanong siya ng mga authorities, bakit mo ginawa ito? It's a Sabbath day. Bakit mo pinick up yung mat mo and you were walking? You did this on a Sabbath. Anong sagot niya? Yung mama na nagpagaling sa akin ang nagsabi na tumayo ako at maglakad. Putting again the blame. He is not owning what is happening in his life. My dear brothers and sisters, this is a story for some of us. This is our story when sometimes God gives us blessings, gifts, healings, and yet we don't own up to our mistakes. We don't give to God what is due. Sometimes this is what happens. If not most of the time, this is what happens in confession. Na pag nangungumpisal tayo, yan, binigyan tayo ng kapatawaran ng Panginoon. No? What a great blessing and healing that God gives us in the sacrament of reconciliation. But ang nangyayari, pagkatapos makuha, matanggap yung kapatawaran sa Panginoon, patuloy tayo sa mga ginagawa natin. Even though at the act of contrition, we make a promise to God to amend our life. Nangangako tayo na babaguhin natin ang sarili natin, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. This is what happened to this man in the story. Hindi man niya binago yung ugali niya, parati niyang biniblame yung mga tao sa paligid niya. Kahit pa man ginawan na siya ng mabuti. For most of us Filipinos, we are proud to say na tayo yung tao na marunong tumanaw ng utang na loob. Di po ba? At dyan sa pagtanaw natin ng utang na loob, itong mga taong nakagawa sa atin ng mabuti, ginagawan din natin ng mabuti. No? Ginagawa natin ng mabuti. Sa panahon na wala tayong masaing, kung binigyan tayo ng bigas, tatanawin natin ng utang na loob iyan. Kung sa panahon wala tayong pera, pinahiram o binigyan ng pera, tatanawin natin yan na utang na loob. At dahil sa pagtanaw natin ng utang na loob, itong mga taong ito gagawan din natin ng mabuti. No? Pero minsan, tayo di natin na pagninilay-nilayan na itong Panginoon natin walang ibang ginawa kundi kabutihan para sa atin. Paano natin sinusuklian ito? Kagaya nitong taong nakita natin o narinig natin sa gospel natin, anong ginawa niya? He was putting the blame. When he was accused, bakit siya naglakad? He was putting the blame on God who healed him. Tayo, kadaming mga magagandang bagay, biyaya na binigay ng Panginoon sa atin, but we are ungrateful. Hindi natin siya ginagawan ng mabuti. At minsan biniblame pa natin na why are all these evils happening in the world? Panginoon, bakit mo hinahayaan na mangyari itong mga bagay na ito? When in fact, in the end, all these bad things that are happening in our society are consequences of our own actions. God has nothing to do with it. No? All the things that we're suffering are our own doing. Kagagawan natin, mga tao. And we put the blame on God. And I hope, my dear brothers and sisters, we will go back to this message and really reflect on it. How have we contributed to this kind of attitude? Huh? Kasi minsan, if yan ang ginagawa natin parate, at yan yung nakikita ng mga tao na ginagawa natin, some people will also emulate the kind of attitude. If we are the person who are ungrateful always, even though God has been great to us, some people will imitate what we are doing. But if we are the kind of person who is always grateful to God, God and the rest of the people who will see that in us will also be grateful to Him.